Hi there, welcome back to Viskon 16, and now let's see how you can make multiple Birdsmouths. By clicking on its icon, you can select a single rafter, and after that, with the second click, you can select the purlin which you want to connect to. And by doing so, a new window opens up where you can set some parameters for the new Birdsmouth. You can set the support surface if you want it to be a little bit bigger, or the front surface. As you can see, it's a little bit too much, but if we correct it, now it creates a gap between the purlin and the rafter. But if we erase these parameters, it comes back to normal. These are the general parameters you can change or adjust. By clicking OK, you can see that two lines appeared, which marks the position of your Birdsmouth on the purlin. If you want to create multiple Birdsmouth at once, you have to click on the command. Up here, you have to select the multi-select tool. You have to click on one of your rafters and drag a line through all the rafters you want to select and you want to create the Birdsmouth on. As you can see, I have selected 3 rafters at once, and now I have to select the purlin I want to connect them with. And so here's our 3 Birdsmouths created all at once. And that's how you can use the multiple Birdsmouth tool in general in Viskon 16.